Hi, I'm gonna tell you today stress. How to get rid of stress. Today I'm gonna talk about that. Stress meaning here mental or emotional strain, tension. That's called stress. For example, another example, you have examination at 2 o'clock. Time is just now 1 o'clock. You didn't read nothing, just you have 1 hour. How you feel? At least you need 2 hours. If you have 2 hours, obviously you can read everything, every chapter, but you have only 1 hour. How you feel? Feeling tension. That is called stress, emotional, mental strain. Another example, putting on your head 100 or 200 kgs weight. How you feel? Feeling burden, right? That is called stress. If you feel stressed by something, your body releases a chemical into your blood. So what will happen if you feel more stress? What will happen? Here today I'm gonna discuss that. For example, first is, if you feel more stress, our health will be damaged. So why we feel stress? First of all, if we have no proper health system. For want of good health system, we maintain good physique. Taking good food, do exercise every day for fitness. Do exercise every day and take good food like a nutritious food. Completely avoid alcohol. Don't rely on alcohol. Don't smoke cigarettes, and don't take oil food, junk food. And completely, dear student, I am a suggestion here, don't take maida more. Off and on is okay, but frequently please avoid maida, which struck our mind. You know maida, right? Puri is made by maida, right? And junk food, oil food, and pizzas, burgers, completely avoid. Reduce oil in our curries. So maintain good health, like doing exercise every day. Do yoga, do walking, jogging, and carrying dumbbells. So please do that. If you do, your health system will be good. And please enhance your immunity system. Immunity is very important in the corona time. During doctor prescribed, right, maintain increase your immunity. So immunity is very important. We have less immunity, whatever task we do, as soon as we will become weak. So maintain good immunity system. And next is, don't think too much. If you thinking, if you have overthinking related to job and what will happen tomorrow, and whether I pass or not, whether I will get job or not. If you think too muchly, which leads to stress. So here, life is not a bed of roses. What will happen tomorrow, we don't know, right? So ready to face the challenge. Be ready and be positive attitude. Here, positive attitude meaning here, there are two friends, A, B. They are going on road on foot. B got suddenly 100 rupees note. B is very happy. He saying thanks to Lord. Oh, thank you Lord, today you gave me 100 rupees note. Actually 100 is not his. He got it on the road. He is very happy. And A feels happy because his friend got 100 rupees note. He is happy, some more happy. And after a far distance, now it turns to A. A got 2000 rupees note. A face is beaming with happiness. He is very happy. He is showing gratitude towards God. God, thank you very much. You gave 2000 rupees note today. Thank you very much, God, is saying. And what about B? B already got 100 rupees note, right? But he felt sad. Before his friend got 2000 rupees note, he was very happy, but now he was feeling sad. Why? Because he compared to his friend. Because his friend got 2000 rupees note, that's why he felt sad. Just he only got 100 rupees note. So now he felt envy, jealousy at his friend. So that is negative attitude. But what about A? When his friend got 100 rupees note, he felt happy, right? So that is positive attitude. So don't like feel envy, jealousy at others, and don't compare to others. This is thing happening in surroundings in, especially in Indians. Don't compare to others. If you compare to others, obviously they will be better than you. You feel hatred and you feel jealousy, obviously you lost your happiness. Don't do that. Keep positive attitude like A. So next thing is here, overthinking, right? Don't do overthinking. Next is financial issues. And if you have no proper job and financially weak, obviously you, which leads to stress. So maintain, like reduce your expenses. So be hopeful, be optimistic. Tomorrow definitely you will get chances. Wait and don't give chance to stress. If you feel stress, what will happen? Your health completely will be damaged. And next one, if we have no proper relationship with others, for example, socially, if we have no proper relations, and if we have no proper relations with your family, like with your wife, with your husband, obviously which leads into stress. So maintain good relationship with others. Don't quarrel with others and don't fight with others. If they hurt you, forgive them. Maintain forgiveness heart, loving heart. Or else the society is not good. They lie to hurt me. So obviously if we have no proper relationship with others, which leads us stress. And next one, job pressure. Like especially who is working in marketing, they have targets expecting from complete work, right? So please, whatever you have targets, keep in positive attitude. Try to accomplish within the time. Don't put off anything. In case dealing anything, okay, try to explain to your boss. Or else if you feel stress, okay, you will have to lose your job. Especially working in marketing sector as a software engineer, don't feel stress. Maximum with your ability, try to accomplish your task. And okay, first of all, tell you, right, health system. If you maintain good health, right, and if you feel stress, what will happen? First of all, we get headache later, indigestion. Whatever we eat, it doesn't digest properly, and heartburn later. And heartburn later, we will have to suffer from insomnia. Insomnia meaning lack of sleeping. We can't get sleep. We are unable to sleep properly, continuously. We need 8 hours sleeping. And later, feeling insomnia, headache, indigestion, and we will have to face BP, sugar. Later, heart attack. See, each other interlinked to, right? So if we feel stress, what will happen? Depression. If you feel, thinking about particularly one thing which leads into depression. Depression meaning worry about something. So stop to feel stress and stop and avoid complete depression. Don't think too muchly for anything. And don't take alcohol. So what to do? Reduce stress, maintain good health like doing exercise, and avoid alcohol, smoking, and avoid junk food, and thinking positively. This is my suggestion. So stress, plenty of students, plenty of more than people are suffering from stress. Please avoid that. Obviously you will get success.